Hello, today I will show you how to open a Logitech M185 mouse. First open the bottom cover and then unscrew the screw. To open the mouse, just press sideways and the device splits into two parts. A common problem with these devices is that the wheel doesn't work well because dirt accumulates on the grills, and infrared rays pass through it, so clean it. To remove the board, you have a plastic tab on each side that needs to be pushed. To remove the top part with the buttons, just press the plastic parts as in the video. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.